Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate admin dashboard template in Next.js latest version. So friends, before showing you working demo homepage, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We'll see beautiful homepage admin dashboard demo for real estate. See top section languages, notification toggle, and the admin toggle as well. Now you can see the few stats. Total users, agent, agency, staff, total property, and total subscription as well. Total top agency, top 5 agency, top 5 agent, transaction history, and here is the sidebar section. And few menu you can see, and I will work on it like manage staff, general user, manage agent, agency, property settings, manage property, property boost, and so on. So guys, this is it. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, CSno requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, that is post.com. See, here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also for filter freelancer, you can hire me on hourly basis as well. And on my blog, you will get multiple free admin dashboards as well. Free admins, e-commerce templates, and so on. For Angular, Next.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress as well. And see, here's a few admin dashboard demo you will get and all are free of cost as well. And also, I can modify it. Now, friends, again back to dashboard, and this is for today. And I must say a few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.